Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words of phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the given procedure. Click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. In Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. In the Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. Click on the More button to select other options if required. Click on either the Replace or Replace All or Find Next or Cancel button as needed. When Word has finished searching for the word and made replacements, a message box appears. Click OK. Let me give you some tips. Replace button changes the current search text with the new text given in the Replace With text box. Replace All button replaces all the search text with the new text at once. Find Next button will highlight the next occurrence of the text that it searches. Cancel button is used to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Students, in the Microsoft Office Word 2007, finding and replacing text within a document is done by following the same steps as mentioned above.